Well,
Hello? Hello, Mrs. Garrity?
well, how are you getting on?
Just that was a long few minutes, wasn't it?
It was.
A couple of sods of turf there, Aidan.
Couple of sods. Mayor, have a look at this turf. Lovely black turf, isn't it?
That's a good turf, yeah.
Good turf. Just from the Wood of Old Bog. No crack anyway, no?
No.
Where up to Crow Park?
Yeah, from far, yeah.
Good, we good?
I'm not on that, am I?
No, you're not. No, you're not. Put me on it.
I'm going out to
Wouldn't put you on it like that, missus. Couple of cups of tea out of it. Teapot's heated up. Little bit of Barry's tea. Don't ever dare bring in a cup of anything else into this house. What do you have green tea here, Granny?
No, plenty of whiskey, yeah, right. No, green.
Plenty of whiskey.
Because I like Barry's tea.
You either get Barry's tea or you get nothing. Will I pour you a cup of tea?
Yes, please.
That's the politest she's been now because she's on video, is that it? Normally it's pour me a cup of tea and stop messing. The communion's all over with, is it? Did you get any presents?
There's no pheasants.
No pheasants. Plenty of crows out there in the trees anyway. Trees are in full bloom. Magpies. What's the saying again, magpie? 1 for good luck, 2 for bad luck, 3 for sorrow.
And 4 for joy.
I thought it was 4 for a boy, you say sometimes.
No.
No?
Oh, that's silly, isn't it?
That's silly. That's all I am. Silly.
Yeah.
You used to make your own butter when you were young. Would you not get up now and make a bit of butter for yourself again? Huh? Buying butter all the time. The cost of living gone up.
What are you doing?
I'm making myself a sandwich. That's what I'm doing.
Ah, no.
What?
Crisps on a bread.
That's
Carbs
what you do.
and carbs.
Carbs and carbs. Look at me. There's nothing wrong with me. And we used to get them many a year. Or chips as they call them in America. Pile them up. Do you know your man from Northern Ireland? What's his name? He was on Jimmy Kimmel making a crisp sandwich. Well, in Northern Ireland accent. Do you remember that guy?
Oh, the hot guy.
Yeah. What's his
He
name?
was in...
He was in...
Yeah.
Yeah, he was in that one. But he was making a crisp sandwich and it wasn't really a traditional one. I don't know what he was doing, but we're not putting in the whole... Got the other slice. Pat the baker. Potato crisps, isn't that it? That's all we eat around here. Now here. This is the moment now. Come here. Come over. Listen to the sound. Now. You're a good old sandwich, aren't you? Gonna eat you now. And then you cut through it. Right? Never eat a sandwich without a cup of tea to wash it down. Ready for the moment. Nice and squash is here. Not bad if I say so myself.
Must be nice, is it?
Lovely. I'll leave the recipe of this very complex sandwich at the end of the video. Can't beat a good crisp sandwich.
I know you can have potatoes with chocolate as well.
With chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
That's like having Coke in your tea or something.
What are you having? Cheese and onion, is it?
Cheese and onion potato. It's a potato sliced up, thrown into a bag.
There's very little in a bag though.
There's very little in the bag now, but Mr. Tato is still there though. He's still the same size. Do you want the other one?
No, thank you.
Sure.
I'll be happy with a ham and cheese sandwich. I never even knew that people eat this.
Why not?
It's not a thing anywhere else in the world.
And why wouldn't you eat a crisp sandwich?
I better learn how to make this at least.
Yeah, you better learn how to make it. I'm cheating a bit because I'm not eating the crust. I remember I used to go to school and then there was the Fridays you used to give us the crisp sandwich, wasn't it? This is top cuisine stuff. I'll give you the last bite. Put on a mask when you're eating just in case you get COVID.
These are very nice. I like the crisps.
Good. There's no fish in it so you can't get salmonella. Right, that's enough.